Hello parents, you are having a toddler at your home. So you need 5 kgs of maida or self-raising flour at your home all the time because you may need to make clay anytime when your child wants to play with it. So I have 5 kgs of maida or self-raising flour and 2 kgs of corn flour. And today we are going to make clay, and for clay we can have just maida and some food color, but there are some more things which you can add, and you can make your clay very attractive. Child will love to play if you add these type of essence in your clay. So you can have essence of kevda, you can have rose, you can have even plain vanilla, right? Children love these smells. Also today I have got these three things. This is mulberry. I have a plant at my home, mulberry tree I have, and mango. I have made a mango pulp. You can see this. I have made a mango pulp, right, from mango. Today we are going to try yellow, orangish yellow color with this, and this I have made the paste of carrot, and today we are going to use this for orange color. Yeah, so I have as I told you, self-raising flour, maida, and I have corn flour, and I have salt. Also I have taken vegetable oil. So now what we will do is we will mix. Okay, I also have these things, ittar, what we can call, right? So even this we can use. Perfume, yeah, ittar. These are ittar bottle, perfume bottles, small perfume bottle. So I am taking. So now it's up to you what type of flour you, what type of play-doh you want. You can. There is no fixed rule that how much to use what. It's up to you. I am using 1 cup of maida and 1 cup of corn flour and 1 cup of salt. Right now I will add vanilla essence, few drops. Now let me add how about first making green color. So I am taking green color. Adding salt is necessary because we want to store this. So now I am mixing it. I love to play with all these type of things. It is not only fun for child, for us also. So after mixing, I will add some water, some oil. And then I will add water. It is already smelling very nice. You can even allow your children to do this. They will also love to do it. So parents, we want that children's fine motor skills should be developed before they start writing. So giving clay is very important, and if you add these type of beautiful fragrance in that, children will love to play, and even you will love to play. If you add more cornstarch, it also makes for different textures you can add different amount of cornstarch. So if you want very smooth feeling, then you can add more cornstarch. And cornstarch, you don't have to purchase the packet ones, you have to purchase this type of loose ones. So you can always have 2 kgs of such corn flour at home. So now let me add water. So you can always involve your child in doing all these things. He will love to do this. So it is that simple. See, you can see now almost our clay is ready, and it's beautiful green color. I love to experiment, and for that reason today I have even taken out all these things, and I will be trying it for first time. And that's fun, like we can always explore and we can always experiment. So you should also experiment. Today I have even taken out these flowers. I'm going to use these flowers and make clay with these flowers also. So in our evening session you will see all different type of clay. Look, it's already ready. Now I can add more, little bit of more oil I'll add. So that's all. Put it here. We are all ready for clay. You can then even store it in the fridge for 7 days. You can easily, 7 to 15 days you can use it easily, because you have added salt in it, so it works as a preservative. And we have used food color, so even if by mistake child is putting it in mouth, nothing will happen. So here, so one color is ready. Now let us try with mango. Shall we try with mango? Let's do that. So these are 2 things ready. Now I will be using I'm having little bit mango pulp, so I'm making just this much. I'm taking this much corn flour I took, and now let me take self-raising flour, maida, and then I have to add salt. So again, salt, and I will be mixing all these 3 things, and the mango pulp. I don't know how it will come. Oh, it is smelling also very nice. And see, look, you are getting that yellowish color. It's mango season, so we can have variety of different clay, and why not even mango clay, mango play-doh, right? Because they are having mango ras with puri, then they are having mango ice cream, then why not mango clay doh? Okay, now I will add some oil. Oops. So remember, salt is very important. Salt, different type of flour, and oil, and then water. And for food and for color, you can add anything, right? So I have added mango pulp. First time I tried with mango pulp. Okay, I forgot some essence. So how about adding kevda essence? It is already having mango smell, right? I can have some kevda also in that. Okay, few drops I have added. See, it is I'm just experimenting. It should feel good and it should smell good. And while you are making, you should also have a beautiful big smile. And when your child will be around, you will definitely have it. Here it is. Oops, my flour. Adding some more water. So here is our mango Play-Doh, bright, very bright color, sunny bright color, isn't it? Hope children will enjoy playing with this. Yeah, so see, now we have these two beautiful colors. So you also make all these things and get ready for our 5 o'clock session. Thank you children. Thank you parents. Bye bye.